Hey everyone, Thermador Product Training Specialist Andrew Gallo here, and today I wanted to take a moment to highlight how to use and operate your induction module on select Thermador Pro Grand ranges. The induction module is 12 inches wide and will sit on the right-hand side of your range, but don't let that size fool you. This is one powerful feature. Induction is a proven trend in the cooking industry, and let's show you some unique features. Your induction module can be used as one large cooking zone or two separate cooking zones. Just be sure to keep your cookware inside the white lines. For a large piece of cookware, like an oblong pot, griddle, or teppanyaki pan, let's combine the module into one cooking surface using the bridge feature. To activate, turn the left-hand knob to the desired temperature and the right-hand knob to the symbol with the plus sign. This tells the module to combine both sections into one. For a smaller piece of cookware, you can split the module into two separate cooking zones. Turn the left-hand knob to the desired temperature for the back portion, and the right-hand knob to the desired temperature of the front portion. You will see on each knob the letters XHI, which activates your PowerBoost function. This will increase the power to 150% for up to 10 minutes. This is great for boiling water quickly, searing a steak, or doing high wok cooking. The left-hand knob will activate this feature for the back, and the right-hand knob will activate this feature for the front. Please note that although both areas are equipped with extra high, only one zone can be used with this feature at a time. Otherwise, if both knobs are set to extra high, the feature will deactivate. You can tell when the extra high feature is activated when the module illuminates a blue dot. The induction module also has a feature known as HeatShift. This allows you to automatically change the power levels without having to turn any knobs, but simply by shifting your pan forward and backward. This feature works for only one piece of cookware at a time. To activate, turn the left-hand knob to the symbol with the arrows pointing front and back. A blue dot will illuminate near HeatShift on the module, letting you know it's activated. There are three preset levels for cooking. The front is maximum, the middle is medium, and the back is minimum. This feature is great from taking a dish from sauté to simmer, like a marinara sauce. It's fantastic for steaks and chops too. Sear on high heat for the ideal crust on the outside, then finish on a lower heat to keep it juicy on the inside. Separate from the cooking modes is a kitchen timer. This does not correlate to or have any effect on any of your cooking modes, simply just keeping track of time, much like a timer on your phone. To activate, press timer on the module. Use the plus or minus arrows to add or subtract the time in 1-minute intervals. Once the time is selected, press timer again and the countdown will begin. To cancel, press timer and bring the total time back down to 00. Thank you for joining me today for the highlights of the Thermador Induction Module. I hope it was helpful. But be sure to check out our YouTube channel for other videos and our website for the most up-to-date information.